Okay, so how are people applying this product? Oh, she looks like she'll be good. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Have you seen this in stores? It's literally the reason I'm here. I can't wait to show you what this looks like on. But first, before we get into it, I can't wait to show you what I got in a totally not sponsored grocery haul that isn't what you're here for at all. Who wants to see what my family's gonna eat for a week? Fast forward. Anytime I use insert brand name here, I am so impressed with their quality and packaging and ingredient list and performance and sustainability and charitable donations. Wait, is this an ad? No. So this is supposed to be a lip stain, which means it's gonna last a long time. And I like to go around and line my lips first. Whoa, wait, did I miss something? Did I skip forward? But you guys know me, I like a super glossy lip. No, we don't. What makes you think we'd have everything about you memorized? I'm only here to see how this product performs. Please don't modify it. A lot of you have been asking me how I like to use this, so let me just go in with a little bit of gloss. Nobody's been asking you, that product literally just came out. But what about you guys? Comment down below. What do you like to wear? I'm dying to know. You're not even gonna read those comments. You're literally just asking for interaction for the algorithm. You want YouTube to notice you so they'll promote your content and you'll get paid. I mean, that's fair.